Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa and today we're going to be making a Christmas martini. So first I'd like to say a big thank you to Rob's Home Bar and 60 Second Cocktail because they challenged me and a bunch of other bartenders on YouTube to do a Christmas Martini 2020 challenge. Basically the rules are that it has to be in a martini glass, it has to be somewhat festive, and you have to tag Christmas Martini 2020 challenge. If you want to find all those videos, you can go to the hashtag Christmas Martini 2020 and you should be able to find all of those videos. Now, I have seen a couple martinis, but I haven't seen this one yet, so I'm really excited to show it to you guys. So my martini for this challenge is going to be a Miss Claus, and that's not a Mr. Claus or a Mrs. Claus, but if Santa and Mrs. Claus had a daughter, this would be the martini that she's drinking at the Christmas club. So it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be, you'll just see it in a second. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to rim the glass. And of course, we're gonna be using a martini glass for this challenge. So normally you would use lemon or a lime around this, but I'm using like sprinkles. So I wanted them to stick onto the martini glass. So I'm actually gonna be using honey for this. You will get the flavor of the honey, so if you don't like honey, I would not suggest this. I think you can use corn syrup if you wanted something that's like not really flavored. And I'm just gonna dip my martini glass in and get that all covered in honey. Perfect, and then I could not find white sprinkles, which is what I really wanted, so I found these like Bear variety pack, and I've got some white ones in here, but they're really, really big. So I've gone and actually taken them, and I've put those in a pestle and mortar. I don't think I'm saying that right, but whatever. And I've just gone and I've crushed these up. Perfect, and so now we've got all of our sprinkles onto here, and we're just gonna rim the glass with these. So now we can put this aside and start making the cocktail. So I'll go through our ingredients first. This is gonna be a super simple cocktail, but it's gonna taste really, really good, trust me. So then first we've got our spirit, which is gonna be our vodka, and I'm using vanilla vodka in this. If you want to do your own vanilla vodka infusion, I bet that would taste even better, but I've just got Smirnoff vanilla vodka today. Then I've got this beautiful white chocolate liqueur, and I don't like regular chocolate, but white chocolate seems to be kind of this like middle ground that I don't mind. So this is awesome if you don't want like a chocolatey cocktail. The white chocolate liqueur doesn't taste like that. And also if you wanted to, you could probably substitute this for Bailey's. I haven't tried it like that, but I feel like it would be kind of similar. Then I've got my classic chai syrup here. I love putting this in all of my winter cocktails. I just think it gives it a really nice spice that, yeah, I really like. And then I've just got some cranberry juice. You could use like unsweetened cranberry juice. Again, I haven't tried it like that. I have only been using this like sweetened cranberry, like almost like a cranberry cocktail type thing. But yeah, cranberry juice. So starting in the bottom of our shaker, we're gonna be doing 1.5 ounces of our vanilla vodka. Then we're gonna be doing 3/4 ounce of our white chocolate liqueur. Then we're gonna be doing 3/4 ounce of our chai syrup. And this chai syrup is super easy to make. You could make an actual chai syrup, but this one is just 2 tea bags steeped in like 1/2 cup of water and then add 1/2 cup of sugar. And it makes a pretty decent chai syrup if you don't want to go through all the effort of getting all the whole spices. And then lastly, we're gonna do 2 ounces of our cranberry juice. And then we're gonna throw some ice in here and give it a quick shake. One thing I will say is be careful with how much honey you use, because I think I used a little bit too much over this one corner and it's starting to drip down. So just be aware of that. Then we're just gonna strain this in. And then to garnish this, I've just got a spear of cranberries on here, and I'm gonna dip this in honey and then dip it in the sprinkles. And then just put this on the side here. Beautiful. And then we've got our finished cocktail, and I'm so excited to try this. I have tried it already, so I know it's good, but I'm excited to try it again. That's pretty good. So you definitely get that cranberry coming through with a little bit of tartness, but overall the drink is pretty sweet. It's really nice and creamy because of that white chocolate liqueur. And that little bit of chai comes through just enough to give it a little hint of spice. It's definitely like young Miss Claus going to the club and she's like, pass me over one of those martinis, and she drinks this. Yeah, it's definitely got a unique flavor. and I really love the cranberry and the white chocolate together. And this is one of my own creation ones. So there we have my Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge Martini, and I love it. I think it's awesome. I've seen a lot of other entries in here already, and I'm so excited to see more. And if you want to find them, again, just look up the hashtag Christmas Martini 2020 and you'll find all the entries there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you give me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. And yeah, check out Rob's Home Bar, 60-second cocktail, and all the other channels that made martinis on this, because the ones that I've seen so far are so good. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!